Around the world, and especially in the United States, plastic is a material we rely heavily upon. It is used in a vast array of products, ranging from soda bottles to electronic devices. As a society, we have become extremely dependent on plastic because of its versatility. Did you know that roughly 50% of the plastic produced is disposed of after a single use? Have you ever considered where this non-biodegradable material is going after it is thrown away? The truth of the matter is, all the plastic that has ever been produced is still somewhere on the earth, accounting for about 10% of our waste. We have also produced more plastic within the last 10 years than we have in the last century as a whole. The majority of this wasted plastic will end up in the oceans, causing horrific damage to the environment and ecosystem. Over time, the discarded plastics often end up in ocean currents, which create zones of convergence. This is how the Great Pacific Garbage Patch was formed, which is estimated to be the size of Texas. There are also three major problems that have come about due to these microplastics polluting the oceans. They are entanglement, ingestion, and transport of invasive species. Over 250 species have been known to ingest or become entangled in plastic. Over 100 species of birds and 31 species of marine mammals are known to ingest plastic products, affecting their stomachs and often leading to death. These unnatural deaths due to ingestion have a severe effect on the ecosystem. The increase in marine litter has also resulted in an increase of invasive species being transported, disrupting the food chain and threatening the health of all aquatic creatures. What does all this pollution mean for human life? The broken down plastics that are being consumed by fish and other animals are then often consumed by people. These persistent organic pollutants, known as POPs, have been associated with a number of detrimental health conditions such as cancer, diabetes, low sperm count, altered immune systems, and low birth weights. It has also been linked to developmental problems in children, such as lowered IQs, reading ages, behavioral problems, memory problems, and attention issues. The North Pacific Ocean has been the main focus of research, but plastic is infiltrating all of the world's oceans. Mounds of plastic debris are washed ashore islands that are not even inhabited by humans. Since plastic reduction is not going to stop, this man-made problem can only be solved by the consumers themselves. Even though it's next to impossible to clean up the current waste in the oceans, scientists and researchers agree that the best way to help this problem is by limiting or eliminating the use of disposable plastics and increasing the use of biodegradable resources. You can help the Environmental Protection Agency and the National Oceanic and Atmospheric Administration without donating a dime, by switching to reusable water bottles, recycling all plastics, and by being mindful of what you are throwing away. You can make a huge difference. Making these small changes in your individual life is the only way to make an impact and save our oceans.